on this random video, I'm gonna be painting this door with chalkboard paint. I picked this up at Lowe's. My kids like to draw on the driveway and in the garage where I'm trying to work with their chalk. So I'm gonna paint this whole door with this. They can draw on the door, doesn't really matter. Plus, as I'm doing different stuff in the garage, now I can write my reminders up there instead of having to put it on the whiteboard that's like over on the other wall where I really don't see it. So this is the plan. I already got it all taped off. Really just gotta paint it and let it dry. I'll probably do 2 coats. At least 2 coats. So I'll be doing 2 coats. Also, if you're like me and you do a lot of spray painting, this thing right here is so cool. I can paint for hours and my hand won't get tired from just trying to push that little button. So, need to tape the doorknob off. Alright, so that was my second coat. So let that dry, give it about 20 minutes, and then should be good to go. We'll start drawing all over it. So can't wait to see my kid's face when they see it. I let this dry overnight, so it's completely dry. Actually, it looks pretty good. Now the only thing we need to do is take all the tape off the jam. I want to make sure we didn't get any overspray on it. So let's take the tape off. I appreciate you guys watching. This is a quick video. We've been wanting to paint the door for a while with some chalkboard stuff. So this gave us an opportunity to do it. Figured I'd share it with you guys instead of just doing it. But I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys next time. Now I think I'm gonna start using this as my planner instead of using something else. Gotta find one of those 50 rags laying around here to wipe it off.